Protecting your phone's battery is crucial, and one of the most effective ways to do so is by limiting its charge to 85%. This is because lithium-ion batteries, like the one in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, experience less stress when charged to a lower percentage. When your battery is constantly being topped off to maintain 100%, it can cause some wear over time. To help you protect your Galaxy S23 Ultra's battery, we have created a video with step-by-step instructions on how to set the battery charge limit to 85%. By following these steps, you can extend the lifespan of your phone's battery and ensure it lasts longer. So let's get started. Pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap Battery and Device Care. On the next screen, select Battery. Scroll down again and tap More Battery Settings. You should see the option Protect Battery at the bottom of the screen as it's the last option. Simply tap on the switch next to it to enable the feature. Once enabled, your phone's battery will be charged up to 85% only. And to further protect your phone's battery, we also suggest you enable the first option, which is Adaptive Battery. These two options can significantly reduce the wear and tear on your phone's battery. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you find this information useful, please consider supporting us by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.